Most of the items we use nowadays are traditionally manufactured using manual labor. So, experts worked hard to make and introduce their innovations especially to factories. In today's Mighty Machines video, let's take a look at these factory processes and the machines involved. Before we start, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. First up is the Yankang plastic machinery, specifically their plastic water tank blower plants. This machine helps in molding plastic into any shape or form desired. Before reaching the target shape, the plastic needs to go through a process first. Step 1. The plastic will be melted and its hollowed form should be placed in between the clamps of the machine. These clamps will act as frames so that the tank has a shape. Once the hollowed plastic is placed, the clamps will be closed. Then, hydraulic pressure, the air is used to blow the plastic like a balloon. This is where the plastic gets its form and shape. The duration of the whole process depends on the product size or plastic layers, but usually it only takes a few minutes and it's done. Aside from plastics, one of the most common materials used for packaging are metal cans. The VATAN MAKINA automatic can body machine is capable of producing 40 of these metal cans in just 1 minute. To do this, print work should first be accomplished using a metal sheet. Then, both ends of the sheet will be welded to form a round cylindrical shape. Managing this operation is really hassle-free since the machine has an auto-view technology that helps in detecting whether the connection lines when welding the cans are still in order. It also has a servo motor that positions these cans precisely to the expanding spindle. Once shaping is done, each can will be moved to the double-squeeze flanging machine so that the end and top flange of the bodies are achieved. The final step would be to transport them to the bottom seamer so all can bodies are upside down and ready to move on to the collecting table. Up next is the HASENKÄMPER GMBH Production of heavy bolts and high-strength nuts. Before everything else, each piece needs to go through strict cleaning and cutting lines. From here, they will be heated and pressed by heavy machines. This is done to ensure that the desired shape is achieved. Then, they are crafted into the required rings. However, their journey does not stop here. Before they are released or finalized, each piece is tested for their strength. This step is very essential, since these bolts and nuts are used in construction sites where extreme strength is needed. A while ago we mentioned the production of canned bodies. Now let's talk about a welding machine that is used in that particular process. This is the YUANROX 306, a machine that can produce large amounts of food and oil containers. Since the demand for canned containers is getting higher every day, it's important that the machine you use can keep up with it. The YUANROX 306 is capable of manufacturing 350 cans in just 1 minute. Plus, you can also program this machine's speed and can size according to what you need. This does not only increase the factory's efficiency by 100-fold, but also guarantees their return of investment in no time. Operating it does not cause problems too, since it was designed to have many sensors that hold and shift each can from one stage of manufacturing to another. Next, we have the TORNIFUSO, known for manufacturing one of the best spindles in the market. Using this machine, you're guaranteed to produce high-quality spindles even with its varying diameters, steps, and lengths based on what is stated in the drawing or sample for segments or lifting. This machine is capable of covering any directional movements and is compatible with a lot of attachments and machine tools. You'd be surprised to know that TORNIFUSO can even craft more segment rings so that higher quality production is achieved. Aside from that, they make sure to use SAE 1020 and 1045 materials for exceptional grounding and polishing, as well as to provide very durable spindles. Speaking of welding machines, we have the RCM double axle friction welding machine from JIANGSU RUICHENG Machinery. This is a machine designed with comprehensive modeling features and unique double bed structure that provides more operation space for the operators. This impressive machine also has a brand new axle housing clamping that works with its positioning device so that precision and accuracy is maintained all throughout the welding process. Welding also needs stable drive power output, which is what the high-quality hydraulic drive system monitors. When talking about monitoring, it's also important to note that this machine also has a comprehensive monitoring system where operators can keep and monitor records of the welding data. Known to be a fast vertical band sawmill, the MEBOR sawmill also boasts its tilted long carriage that allows shock-free reception of saw bands. Surely, this is made for high-capacity and quality-oriented sawing of both soft and hardwood logs. This machine has successfully combined the speed, energy efficiency, and high wood recovery of wood needed for the task. On top of that, operators can configure it either in single or double side cutting depending on what the operation needs. Next is the TESKER MFG Model 742, which is a thread roller that can roll up to 12-inch diameter parts with the help of its 340,000 pounds of rolling force. Even though it's originally built to withstand heavy-duty work, this machine does not require a lot of costs. It has a servo drive that maintains the accuracy and independent spindle drive access control. Cable cars, bridges, and even heavy-duty cranes are incomplete without ropeways. This is why the Fatzer AG has been manufacturing the best of the best ropes in the market. To make sure of the quality it releases, each tensile strength of the wires are measured and tested. If they pass the standards, the wires will be installed on a stranding machine that draws the cables on a twisting head. To further secure the strands of rope, it's sprayed with grease and processed through a ropeway cage that rotates and ties the different strands together. If the desired diameter and strength is reached, the ropes will be tested again. Last but not least is the PVC pipes from AMUT Group. These are produced through extrusion of raw materials. An extrusion line from the AMUT Group is used for manufacturing 500 millimeters in diameter high-quality pipes. However, they are not only limited to that, for different diameter values can also be set depending on the needs of the operation. The process starts with the raw materials getting fed into the twin screw extruder. Then, it's heated and melted so that the yield can be extruded. The product of this step will now be used to shape a pipe. Lastly, the lines created are individually cooled and cut to the required length. That's all for the factory processes and the machines involved with them. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section what you want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on these amazing machines. See you in the next video.